Welcome to Skywaze AZA, the Skywaze AI sales agent. How you use this is there's a list of topics here that you can select from. So let's select Quinn Marketing. And then you can enter a question for that topic, like what is the relationship between Quinn and Kalmar? And then you click Discover. So the agent's going to get the answer for you right here. Quinn offers an extensive range of Kalmar products. Okay, and let's try another question, a more broad question, like what is the history of Quinn? Click Discover. Okay, so it gives you the history of the company. Okay, now let's change to a different topic, like Quinn equipment quotes. And I'll ask what products are there quotes for? Discover. Okay, so I found the quotes for these products. I can ask a specific question, like how much is the quote for Scansa new 36K forklift with pipe attachment? It's pretty specific. Discover. Okay, so it gives you the total price for the quote. You can ask what are the quotes for pipe hold down? Okay, this is formatted. Note that you can copy and paste. You can copy the answers. You can also copy the questions you ask and paste them into a document. I can ask a more general question. What are the quotes for? Discover. Okay, so the quotes are for forklifts. Okay. Okay, let's switch to another topic. Let's see, Quinn equipment options. And I want to know what options there are for forklifts. Discover. Okay, so it gives all the options it found in the data set and the reason for these for the options. Okay, let's try the Quinn equipment topic. And I'm going to ask a specific question now. What are the products in this forklift? Okay. Okay, that's taking more time to answer than the others. Oh, that's why. Because there's this whole list of products for this forklift. Okay. And I can ask a specific question from a spreadsheet. What are the Kalmar base rates? This is stored in the spreadsheet. This I think was okay. So what I was going to say is like the list of products. I think this is stored in a docx file or yeah. So this information about the rates, these rates here, this is from the Excel file. Okay, let's try another topic. Quinn equipment proposals. Okay, and I want to know what quotes have the gold warranty. Okay, so these quotes. And now let's go to the Quinn sales scripts topic. And I want to summarize the elevator pitches. Discover. Okay, so the agent found the general pitch and the pitch which is specific to equipment dealers. And these pitches are for the momentum positions. Okay, now let's go to the Quinn email examples. Like these, the files for this topic are PNG files. Basically, uh, screenshots of email messages, and I want to summarize the emails. So this does OCR from the PNGs, extracts text from PNGs, and it gives you the text of the emails. Okay, now the Quinn correspondence. Okay, this Quinn correspondence. This is a MSG file, which is the Outlook message format. The the um, the email message was saved from Outlook to a MSG file, and I want to know from the MSG file what are the last few updates on the Scansa order. Discover. So it's going to go through the email, the saved email, and it gives the last few updates. Okay, and you can also, if you want to ask a question about like covering multiple topics or not on any specific topic, you can just clear the drop down here. Let's see, ask a general question. What are where is Quinn located? What cities is Quinn located? It should be in all in California. Okay, let's discover and see what happens. Okay, so lists all the cities where Quinn is located in California too. Okay, so that's a demo of the AI Skills Agent, Skywaze ASA, and this is the Pinecone index, the vector store that I'm using. So this is the index. I just name it QuinnSite. You can name it anything you want, really. I just name it QuinnSite because I think it's meaningful to me. And in this index, it stores all the data that's used by the agent. And you can see each chunk of data. There's a chunk type which can be section or document, and the chunk is embedded into a vector like here, and the dimension of the vector is 1536 because I'm using OpenAI's embedding encoder, which uses this dimension. So the index has to match that dimension. Okay, you see in the metadata, there's also a source and where this chunk of data came from. You can see the file, the specific file where the chunk came from. And there's also the text of this chunk. And the topic here, Quinn sales scripts, Quinn equipment, etc., etc. Now, if you look at my README, let's see, we're here. Okay, you see you have to set the Pinecone host, right, in the env file. So where you get that is here, right here. You can just copy this, right? Copy this and set the Pinecone host value in the env file, .env file. And for Pinecone's index name, you just extract it from the Pinecone host, like, or just copy from here. It's Quinsite. It also shows up in the host URL as well here, right? Quinsite. Okay, so that's the demo.